How do you think which ceramic products on this picture, is much more better? Yes, for me, ceramics on the left side is much more better and valuable because I'm a restorer. I'm restoring broken ceramics. And today I would like to tell you the whole process of ceramic restoration. So the way from the excavation site to the museum exhibition consists of several levels and ways. It's for first we have to start with the documentation, then also cleaning, consolidation, bonding, making structure of modeling boards, filling the missing parts, polishing, and color patching. So there, after we started the documentation, we have to, we start with the documentation. So we are cleaning the missing parts, cleaning all their parts of the ceramic artifacts. And before that, I don't know why, but here is, I missed one picture. We have to take a photo and take a measures of the whole ceramic artifact and its pieces, and also measure its weight. Also have to collect all pieces of the ceramic, and then we have to clean it with the brush in the cold water. After that, it should be dried, whole cleaned ceramic parts. Then we are consolidating those ceramic parts because it should be stable to be glued. And we are consolidating it in the chemical mixture, which consists of glue and water. And the most interesting part is picking up puzzles. It's like a game for me, and this part I love really very much. Then we are bonding it. We are gluing each part together, and sometimes we have missing parts. So we have to fill those missing parts after modeling boards to make restoration more stable. We put their modeling boards. Their filling missing parts itself, we can do with various types of compositions. Those are actually chemical compositions, CDK, Greatex, or HV. The last one, resin-based one, is my favorite one because as you can see on this picture, it is a CDK composition, which is really hard to work. And Greatex is very similar to the gypsum, but it is hard to remove it and to polish. My favorite one is HV. Why? Because it's really flexible. It dries not very fast, but it is really easy to give the surface more smooth, to give a smooth surface for the ceramic. And after that, we have to polish and clean the surface to prepare it for the printing. Color patching is one of the most important things. Usually, I use acrylic colors. It is easy to find in Kazakhstan, but it is suggested to use mineral colors, but it's really hard to find it in Kazakhstan, and usually I order it from abroad. And I really like coloring because It's a bit difficult to find the actual color, but it's really enjoyable thing. You can feel yourself like a painter. In conclusion, as you can see, that whole restoration process is complex work, after which restoring things become more valuable and better, because when we work, we put into it whole our soul. So I would like to tell you one very interesting example. In Japan, there is a culture called kintsugi. Kintsugi is the very famous type of restoration. Once in the Middle Ages, the one shogun called Ashikaga Yoshimasa broke his very important and expensive Chinese vessel. So that vessel was very dear to him, and he ordered to restore it. However, after restoration, first restoration, he didn't like, because that vessel looked very pitiable. Then he ordered to his subordinates to redo it. And ingenious Japanese find out one thing. They are restored, glued all parts of the vessel, and after that they just smeared it with the golden paint. So it looks more better and it gives it more value. Since then, in Japan, broken glued ceramics have become more appreciated. Isn't it true? Just think. Even if the broken things looks not respectable, they are more valuable. Like we, humans, we break down, but something happened. But we recover, and after that we become better, stronger than before. Thank you very much for your attention.